Welcome to Q1 Premium Masking Solutions how-to video with Damage Undone, and today I've got Adam from A&E Dent Removal. We've got this project that we've been working on, and today we're going to finalise it. What we've been doing on Adam's Jeep Cherokee is we've been Raptor lining it, and it gives it a coarse texture to the vehicle, a really durable finish. So what made you decide to have this Raptor lined, Adam?
Well, when I'm going off-roading, when you're going down through the sort of hedgerows and stuff, it doesn't scratch the paintwork like it does with a normal sort of paint finish.
So we're going to refinish the roof on this with the Raptor. Key to this process is getting the prep work absolutely right. Depending on the texture you want is how thin you go, but we're going to have quite a coarse texture as you've already seen, and so it's going to be a 1 to 2 coat, probably working at about 3 to 4 bar. Now, I've known Adam for almost 15 years, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got to be 15.
15 years. He's in my workshop pretty much most days, and he helps me out on doing paintless dent repairs. So at this stage, what we're going to do is we've got rid of all the adhesive rubber that was on there. We're just going to blow the roof off quickly, get rid of any of the dust and stuff that's just gathered over the years. Mask up around anywhere we've already painted just to protect it. Sand it down with 320, clean it off again, and then we're at the final stage of masking up, ready for paint. So I'm going to use my sander. We're just going to DA this all up, 320, 400. It's perfect grip for it. Adam, what we're going to do now is now we've prepped the roof ready for paint, we're just going to mask it all up. So what we're going to use is we're going to use the Q1 Premium Masking Solutions trim tape. So it's a really good product, cuts off quite easily. You've got a hard plastic edge along there, which tucks in. I mean, you can pull the panel back. You then just, when it's in place, pull back the adhesive protection, and then just pull that down and stick it in place. What we're going to do now is going to use a little 13mm soft edge foam from Q1. We're going to just put it inside the boot lid shut, just to create a nice soft edge for when we paint the roof and protect this section. I've got Adam on the other side just to help out a bit, so he's going to stick his side down, and we're literally just going to put that on the inner edge of the trim. So Adam, as you know, to protect the rest of the car, I use the Q1 protective film with corona treatment. What that basically means is it draws away any sort of particles that might be attracted to the panels, actually gets cling to the plastic itself. Just go straight over. So what I need you to do, if you go down your side, just cut it all the way along there, just below, and we'll soft edge mask around there. I'll do the other side, you do this side. So using the 13mm foam, what I'm going to do is just create a soft edge along the rain gutter. So we've keyed the roof, we've broken through in a couple of places where we've got some raw metal. So what you need to do, as I said earlier, is just to put a little bit of edge primer on there, seal up that exposed metal, and then you're ready to Raptor. So the stages, we've keyed the area, we've cleaned the area, we've prepped the area, we've masked it up using Q1 Premium Masking Solutions, and we have sealed any exposed bare metal. We're now going to Raptor line it. For this one, to replicate the rest of the vehicle, we're going to use a Schultz gun. All we've done is we've mixed 100ml of tintable paint, solvent paint into the Raptor, and it's just been shaked up, activated, and we'll be applying it at 3 to 3.5 bar. So we've finished the Raptor lining, roof's all done, blends in nicely with the rest of the panel. Don't forget, if you're going to do this, you need to give it a 30 to 40 minute flash off between each coat. So I'm really pleased with it. What do you think, Adam?
Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Yeah, it just sort of finishes it off. It's fantastic.
Yeah, it's a great little project we did together.